putting on acrylic nails you can make at home. So I have the box of stuff you will need, and I just got this at my Dollar General. And these are not acrylic, they are just the plastic fake nails, but you can do it easily at home. So first we have the Kiss Mega Hold nail glue. Then I bought some nail polish to paint the nails. And this color is called Haze of Love by Wet n Wild. Then I have the tips, which are made by Kiss as well. And it comes with 20, so I'll be able to use it twice. Then I also have just some clippers to clip the tips. And a little mustache nail filer. Let's get started. So first you're going to want to take some scissors and open these up. I'm going to find the right size for all of my nails and I'll be right back. So when it comes to fake nails, I like them to be like the perfect size. This time though, some of them were overlapping and going onto my skin, so that kind of made them look bad. But just make sure to push down the nail, because when you just have it floating on top of your nail, that's not how it's going to really look once it's glued on. So I've picked out all of them here, so I'm just going to set the rest to the side and put them away later for next time. And I have some strengthening nail polish on my nails, so I'm going to take that off really quickly. So I've just taken it all off. You can see that they're not shiny anymore, and that's definitely going to make it much easier to put these nails on. We're going to start off with the thumb, and I'm going to look really, really bougie when these are all done, but hey, we're going to cut them off later, so yeah. I'm going to start with my right because it's harder to start on that one, but it'll be easier when all of my long nails are on to do this one rather than this one with long ones, and it's my non-dominant hand, so it'll just be really hard. I really want it to work well, so I'm going to apply it to the nail as well. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, here it is. I'm gonna move on to the next one. This shows you exactly how it's not lined up. Sit down right now and listen to me. Go to your room right now. Right now. Oh no, you didn't. Oh no, you didn't. No, no, no. Oh no, you didn't. Oh no. So I managed to find all the pieces that fell, and I was looking for literally like 10 minutes to find this finger, and it was sitting over here in the pile with all the random ones. Anyways, let's continue on putting these nails on. I'm just adding 1 drop because I don't want it to overflow, and I don't want it to get stuck to my finger. Make sure when you're applying it that your finger is far away from the edge. Sorry, I'm supposed to be holding it longer. Make sure your finger is far away from the edge so that it doesn't get stuck when you release it. There we go. So ugly. Here's the right hand completely finished.
Dive bar on the east side, where you at? Phone lights at my nightstand in the black.
Next hand. I'm all done. Come on now. Why? Just why? You can't even do anything with these nails. I'm having a hard time putting the nails on with my other hand full of nails. Like, how are you supposed to paint your nails or anything like this? It's so hard to, like, open it. I can't even do it. I just don't understand how people get around like this. We're gonna have to file them. So we're gonna file them flat because they're not flat with my actual nail. As you can see, they're sticking out. So I'm gonna flatten that out right now. What the point of this is trying to get the line off of my nail that shows you where the tip starts. So I'm trying to file that down, but it doesn't really work too well. So the outcome ended up having a lot of lines on it, but it was all right. So here they are, and I didn't do a very good job. I don't really care because I'm just done with these long nails and I want to get them off. You guys know what time it is. I'm gonna trim them. I cut it unevenly, but it's better. Okay guys, so here's probably like the biggest. I will make the thumb. I might even make it shorter, I'm not sure. But we gotta get these done. To fix this problem, just put the clippers on the other side of the nail instead of going around, and do not peel it like I just did. So this is the only one I did right. You're supposed to go from the left side to the right side. So you would clip like as far as you can go this side, and then you go on this side and clip it off so that it's even. That makes sense. So my mom has some like nail scissors in the closet, so I'm gonna go try those out. It's a really cute kit that she has from Beauty Secrets, but there's only 2 items in here that she left in here. So here's the scissors. I'd have to say these nail scissors definitely don't work as good as the clippers, and they're not really strong. Okay, that shaped it really weird. So this nail is about the size I like. Too bad I messed up the shape. I'm just clipping the nails at the angle I want, and then I'll file it down. So right here, these are just like a standard size of nails. This one right here is about just a normal length of a nail. So I'm going to try to keep these a little longer because these are just a little too short. Okay guys, I'm going to file them down and I'll be back because this video is going to get way too long. So I'm back, and I'm sorry I didn't really get to show you that much filing, but here's the end result. They're definitely not matching, but some of them are the style I wanted. It's supposed to be like the almond style, and then the front is one line. The last time they were perfectly like that. I know someone commented where I got them done it. So now, if these turn out good, I can say I got these done at home. I do them myself. So I'm on the last one right now, the pinky, and it's not quite at the shape yet that I want it to be, but it will be. So I'll show you guys how I did the shape. So you're just going to keep going back and forth from this angle on each side. And then you can just go straight across like that and be done. So it's a pretty sharp angle, some pretty sharp angles. Here it is. So now I'm going to just make sure that the tops are flattened against my nail so there's no line, and then we can start painting. Got the color nice and ready for painting. This is a Mega Last, by the way. So this is gonna last like 5 days, I believe. So this is gonna last me the whole week, which is great because these are probably gonna last somewhere around a week. Here's one hand, guys. I feel like a vampire or something. Here is the final product. I think that they look just fabulous. I'd be really happy if this is the normal length of my nails. I really wish I could like try to get my nails this length, but first of all, they don't even like shape this way, and they just, I don't know. I don't think it's in my genes. But yeah, they're really cool. And I don't know, it's just weird to me because I feel like they don't look so good. I really should have filed it down more, because now it looks bad. We're still going to apply the top coat. Here they are, the finished product. All they have to do is dry and they're going to be completely done. I really like the color, and even though I feel like some vampire for some reason, I really like them. It costs way less money than going to the nail shop. This was $1.50, this was $2, and that one pack was $1. So that's this much money in total, which I think is very reasonable compared to going to the nail salon and paying like 20 bucks to get your nails done. But the only good thing is that they are acrylic and they last longer, but still, I recommend this way. I just think that next time I'm not going to get the tip kind, I'm going to get the natural looking ones and then just paint over it, because it took way too much time. It's been like 2 hours. But once again, it does take a lot of time and money at the nail salon. So I would say just do whichever one you like. I'm going to get acrylic sometimes and get the natural looking nails sometimes. And if you guys want to see any more videos like this, comment some video ideas down below, something you guys would like to watch. And don't forget to like and subscribe to watch more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye!